Welcome back to the T Ranch, where today we're going to be planting walnuts behind a tractor. I've got a Kubota M8200 85 horsepower utility tractor. I like it because it's got wide tracks. But we're planting walnuts today. I got these off the Lazy, I believe it's the Lazy S. It's a Silbot ranch. Anyway, I've already took the husk off of them. I didn't put them in water because I don't care. I'm gonna put one probably about every 2 foot or so, and we'll see what happens. There's nothing that grows up here much. I did hit it with some chicken manure when I was spreading manure. I put one load up here, but it looks like it's washed down the hill. Maybe some of it penetrated. Anyway, I'm gonna get this done, and then probably about April or May, I'll come back up here and take a look. If I get any results, successful results or whatever, we'll put it on a little video. I've got this middle buster that modified to hold a water tank, give me a little more weight. But I don't have any water in it right now, don't need it. It's been raining for a week. Going down about 4 inches here. You can see it's a iron ore heel. It's been scraped off a long time ago. Hardly anything grows over here, so I thought I'd give the walnuts a try. They say they'll grow in almost any soil. So I got 3 rows up there and this one right here, kind of following around the top of the hill so I don't create a wash. Here's the process. Drop one in the hole, hit it with my heel, go 2 foot, hit it with my heel, cover it up. I'll continue that on. You know, I mentioned the squirrels maybe eating these walnuts. They're not going to be up here. They're going to be too busy trying to urinate on our trash cans and eat our bird seed.